guys, welcome to my channel. This week we're doing nature videos, so it's all going to be based around items that we found on our walk to the woods. So in this bag we have lots of goodies that we found. I'm going to get it all out and insert some clips of our lovely walk. So here we have all of our nature supplies that we picked up from our walk in the woods. We have some sticks, rocks, some pretty flowers, lots of different leaves, and then we found this one beautiful little feather. So this week we're going to be doing arts and crafts and different games and things with these that we've collected. So if you needed a prompt, this is your little push to get your little ones, put their puddle suits on or go splash in the puddles and collect some lovely nature objects. There are so many different colours and textures and different things that we can now do with this little bundle that we've collected. So this activity is completely free. There's not really any prep work, and we're going to get so much fun out of it. As you can see on the little clip that I inserted of our walk as well, we're really lucky to live near a little animal centre. So that was an added bonus to our walk. We have a full week planned with these objects. Any suggestions there, I would love to hear. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell if you're enjoying the videos that I make to do with our Tuff Tray adventures. I think messy play and nature play are really important for little ones. Get to touch and smell. Oh, the smell in here, it still smells like we're in the woods. Please do be mindful of insects and animals though. We don't want to be hurting anyone or disrupting anyone's home. Thanks for listening, guys, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye!